What's up everyone, Mitesh here with MTech, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things that the Google Home can do that you may not know about. Now if that sounds familiar, that's great because you guys have probably watched my first one, and I will have that linked up here and in the description if you guys haven't. But in this case, we're going to be talking about 5 more things that the Google Home can do that you may not know about. So without further ado, let's get started. Get weekly tech news, product reviews, and how-to videos. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Alright, so at number 1, we have the fact that Google Home has gotten 6 new voices. So this was announced at Google I/O and it's been rolling out, and now everyone should have it at least. So the way you do this is by going on your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the voices. So previously there were only 2 voices available. Like I said, they added 6 new voices for a total of 8. So to get to this, you will open the Google Home app and then you'll hit on more settings to take you into the more settings. And then it's going to be preferences, which is number 2 on the list after your name. So you'll open that up and then you'll see assistant voice, also number 2. And then yeah, the one that you guys are probably used to is this one.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
And this one's actually called Holly, but they've got 6 different voices. Previously there was this one, which was another male voice. And
here to help you throughout your day. And now you can choose from
different voices for me to speak with.
And as you can see, yeah, 6 whole new voices.
Hi,
total
I'm
of
your
8.
Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
Pretty cool, right? So you get a little bit more option if you guys are a little tired of the Google Home voice.
And now you can choose
try
from
something
different
new.
voices for me to speak with.
I like this one. I think I'm going to stick with this one for now.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you through.
So yeah, that's how you change Google Home's voice. So, alright, that's number 1, and for the rest of them we're going to be talking to the Google Home over there, so let's go ahead and go over there. Alright, so at number 2, we have the fact that Google Home can now do up to 3 queries at once. So last time, in my last video, I told you guys that you can do 2 commands at the same time by using the word and or the word then. Well, now you can do up to 3 commands, and not only that, but you don't have to make it so unnatural sounding. So to give you an example of that, so before you would have had to say turn on living room light and turn on office light. Without that second turn on, you would never be able to get a word. So, but now you can say turn on living room light and office light and it will understand you. So let me go ahead and use that as an example and show you guys how it works. So you just say turn on office light and living room light.
Sure, turning the office light on. You got it, turning the living room light on.
So there you guys go. Now it can understand me even if I use a little bit different language. So that's pretty cool. And then next up, we have the fact that Google Home can play virtually any radio station with iHeartRadio or TuneIn. So the nice thing about this is you don't have to ask it to play via TuneIn or anything like that. You can just ask it by just asking for the radio name. So I can say play Kiss 107. That's a top 40 station here.
Streaming Kiss 107 from iHeartRadio.
And there you guys go, and it starts playing. Stop. Alright, so there you guys have it. So it's really nice if you guys just want to listen to a radio station. If you don't have any specific music you want to listen to, you can just ask it to play whatever local radio station you like. Me personally, I like to listen to NPR in the morning, so I do that. Alright, so at number 4, we have the fact that you can ask Google to remember stuff for you. So it can remember things like where you put your passport, it can remember where you put your spare keys, and other important documents. So all you have to do is just tell it to remember something. So just say, remember that I put the spare keys in the living room.
Okay, I'll remember that you said I put the spare keys in the living room.
And then when you want to know where you put those spare keys, you just have to ask it where you put them. So just say, where did I put my spare keys?
I remember you told me. I put the spare keys in the living room.
And just like that, it'll remember things for you. So this works really well if there's documents or things that you don't want to lose, but there might be a little tiny and you may forget where you put them. So it's definitely great for that. So another awesome feature for Google Home. It's been around for a while, but just one that I really started using recently, and I thought one that I really wanted to highlight. Alright, so number 5, we have a third-party service. So this is a service that will help you learn more about wines and find wine pairings for your meals. It's called Wine Guide. So the way you activate it on Google is by saying talk to Wine Guide. So you just say talk to Wine Guide.
Alright, getting wine guide.
Hi, before I can help, I have to ask, are you of legal drinking age?
Yes.
Thanks for confirming. Which would you like to hear? Pairings or lessons?
Pairings.
Okay, what food or dish do you need a recommendation for?
Pizza.
Okay.
But you guys don't have pizza with wine?
For plain pizza, Pinot Noir, Zinfandel or Chianti should pair well. If you want a pairing for a different kind of pizza, just tell me what kind. Anything else you'd like me to pair?
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
Tacos.
Because tacos come with a variety of ingredients including meats, vegetables, spices and sauces, all of which vary in their herbaceous, tangy, acidic and spicy nature, I have a few safe recommendations. For white meat or veggie tacos I recommend Riesling, Verdeo or Sauvignon Blanc. You could also try Cava or Rosé. For tacos with red meat, I suggest Tempranillo or Rioja, Pinot Noir or Malbec. Anything else you'd like me to pair?
No.
No problem. Would you like some bottle recommendations?
No.
No problem. I'll be here when you need me. Cheers.
And if you guys heard that cue at the beginning and end, that means the other assistant, the wine guide assistant, actually coming in and then leaving again. So yeah, that's how you get wine pairings if you guys want those. And you can also learn about wines because they also do have lessons. So I thought it was a really interesting service and something that's a little different, especially from Google Home. Alright, so there you guys have it. Those are my 5 tips for making better use of Google Home. Now, if you guys learned something new or like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this because I will be covering new features of Google Home once they're released. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this one. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!